Okay, so does it mean that if I get the New York safe,
May clam chowder pa siya. I got a salad. Tapos may calamari kami. Yeah, steak for me. Fredo, side of chicken.
orange pickle.
Inubos ni Kat yung ice cream, tapos kinuha niya rin yung akin.
Bakit kaya yun?
Morning, guys. It is Saturday. As usual, we throw garbage. You need to get some of these too. You need to get two. Ay? Ano? Ano? Hey. Andun tayo sa car. Today is a rainy day. Rainy day in Vancouver. Rainy Saturday.
It's gonna be rainy today and tomorrow.
Yeah, back to rain na naman tayo. It is life. Eh, pasok na kami sa car. Good morning! So, iba ang ating schedule for today. Kasi, nag-feed tayo ng cats lately. We're feeding two cats, Cloud and Mumu.
Can I turn this on first?
Okay.
Because it's cold. So for the past, since Tuesday
Tuesday evening, yeah.
Nag-feed kami ng dalawang cats, pero not here sa amin, dun sa sa bahay nila. Angelo. So,
yung cat ni Angelo yun, tapos yung neighbor niya actually. So, nagpapakain tayo. Dinadala ko na lang yung, yung can. Kasi nung first and second day of us feeding Cloud, medyo she hates us kasi. Pero naging territorial lang siya, I think. Kasi wala yung, niya, yung pamilya niya. So, yeah. That's why we have keys here. And then, ito yung pang-amo kay Cloud. So yeah, we go to their house. It's gonna be the same for tomorrow. We're gonna go to their house in the morning, and then later at night also. So yeah, let's drive. We are here at the building. Look, you guys, it smells really good here all the time, like a hotel. And punta tayo sa first cat. Hi. So the first cat is a 16-year-old cat. Tapos, she's so cute. And then,
Her name is
Mumu. First time namin siya na-meet like last week. Tapos 16-year-old na pala siya. Akala namin baby pa lang siya. And then, pagpapasok kami, maglalakad siya sa corner. So cute. Pero yung eyes niya, guys, parang human. Kind of weird.
Momo.
Hi, Mumu. Mumu. Hungry na siya, guys, kasi medyo late kami nakapunta today.
Usually kasi pumupunta kami dito ng
5.
mga 5 or quarter to 6 kasi dinadaanan muna namin sila bago kami pumupunta sa work. So yeah.
Ayan siya. Okay, now to the Cloud. Ito yung food ni Cloud. Ayan. But with Cloud, we need the churro kasi sometimes she's mad at us. Pero right now, I think she's hungry, so it'll be okay.
I didn't see it. The previous one.
Wait lang. Cloud, Cloud. Cloud, Cloud. Ready to eat? Ayan si Cloud. Siya ay gutom rin. Ayan. Then we just package this. And then we need to give her the other food. This one. Ayan. Ayan siya. Friendly. Kasi gutom. Ayan. Ginagamit mo lang ako, Cloud, talaga. 1/4 cup nito. Wait lang guys, hindi ko nakita eh. Ayun, nag-kiss siya ng slight. Pero okay lang naman. Namamanage ko na siya ngayon. Pero binigyan ko siya ng churro before we left para lang ma-feel niya na okay lang naman kami. We're safe. We're just there feeding her. Ayan. Tapos paggabi, yung litter niya tsaka yung litter ni Mumu, finifix din namin. Tinatanggal lang namin yung poops. Tapos ngayon, after, we are gonna go eat. Then we're gonna go to the gym. As per usual, and then we're gonna go grocery siguro, like
Yeah.
slight grocery lang, not a lot.
What about are we gymming?
Yeah. After we eat, right?
Tanggalin.
Okay guys, we're back in the car now. Alam nyo, may mystery kaming tinatry na solve. Yung cart namin, nawawala. Wala sa bahay. Wala dito.
Can't
I
find it.
don't know. We
Nasaan
don't
yung
know
ano?
where it is.
Nasaan yung ziplock nito?
Hindi ko alam. Hawak mo kanina.
Natapon ko ba? Oh my God. Parang,
No, I don't think so. Kasi yung ano lang ang tinapan ko eh.
it's not here.
Okay guys, magdadrive muna kami. Breakfast again. Uy, I need ano. Open it. Open it. What are you doing? Kuha tayo ng...
Oh my God, so chaotic here. Inside, it's so quiet.
Huh?
Ano pala, marami pala kaming tubig. Marami pala kaming tubig, guys. Kaka-ano lang namin, kaka-refill lang namin. And then this one, we're just getting ready for something like
Emergency purpose.
for emergency purposes. And also, dahil medyo umiinit na. So,
Okay, nasa superstore na tayo.
yeah, okay. Pasok na tayo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Can you hold this?
She wanted to try that last week, but it was closed. But she got to try it this week.
I love pineapples.
We're at Costco, but it's too heavy. We're buying this one. Ang cute dito, guys. Puro cherry blossom. And ang daming umuubo at sumisipon. So, it's nice. Very nice. Hi guys, kakatapos lang namin sa gym.
Oh, wow.
And ngayon, nandito kami sa Wieners. At may hinahanap lang kami na ano, parang ang gym na equipment.
Yung bag.
Oo, yung band. Tapos, papakain na ulit tayo ng mga pusa. We're back in the car. We
We're
found
back!
it. Ito yung hinahanap namin. Resistance band.
Or loop.
Loop.
Resistance loop.
Yeah, $10 only dito sa ano, sa Winners.
Yum.
Really feel like we're winning.
Because it's at Winners.
Okay, so now we're gonna go back to New West, and then we're gonna feed the cats, and then we're gonna go home and chill sa bahay. There's laundry to be done. And then, chill lang tayo. So, yeah. Anyways, come with us? I don't know.
Yeah?
Okay? See? See you there. Cloud, Cloud, come here. Come on, come. Come on. Come on, Cloud. Come on, move. Move, Cloud. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Cloud, come here. Mumu. 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 Hi, Mumu. Hi, Mumu. Come on. Come here. I know. Are you hungry again?
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Sunday today. And papunta na naman tayo ngayon kina Cloud and kina Mumu para mag-feed sa kanila. And
8:25 a.m.
8 pa ng umaga ngayon. 8:20. Yes, that's correct. And supposedly sunny today. Siguro mamaya, towards mamayang hapon siguro or midday. Pero kung makikita nyo, medyo naman siya, medyo dark. And sa unahan, medyo foggy siya. Pero I think hindi nyo makikita yan. Ayan o. Pero hindi nyo nakikita yung mountains. May mountains ba dyan?
I don't know.
Water, I think. Yeah, pero wala kayong makikita dun kasi medyo foggy nga. So I think
Is it still gonna be sunny?
yeah, according to forecast. Forecast says, Siri says, oh wait, sorry Siri. Oh, sorry. Yeah. 14 degrees high and then 4 low. But yes. Hindi pa kami nagpo-breakfast. Pagkagising naman kanina, dumiretso na agad kami. Nag-ready lang and then dumiretso na kami kaagad. Inagahan namin ngayon compared kahapon. Kasi may appointment si Kim ng 10 ng umaga mamaya. And so, and so we have to be early para at least pagkatapos ng appointment niya, free na kami gawin yung mga kailangan namin gawin. So, we'll see you guys.
Oh no, someone was speeding. Hello.
Oh no.
I was speeding too. Hello.
Uy.
Buti na. Mumu. Hi. I know. Cat 1 is done. Doon na tayo sa next cat, which is Cloud. Tapos dito na tayo mag-gym kasi may gym din sila dito para hindi na kami pabalik-balik. Yeah. Guys, ito ang gym nila. Tapos view, ganda, no? Hello everyone, we are now here sa aking chiropractor appointment. Wala naman tayong masyadong complaints.
Yeah.
Ano lang, gusto ko lang magpa-adjust ng mga buto-buto para I feel better, you know?
Buto-buto?
And then after this, we haven't figured out kung saan kami kakain. I mean, kung saan kami pupunta. But for sure, we're gonna go get some, coffee and some morning food or something. No! But yes, anyways, may 10 minutes pa tayo from my appointment time. So, siguro papasok na lang ako, baka kailan naman na niya. Okay, pasok na muna ako. Dito ka lang?
Yeah.
Okay. It's only like 15 minutes of an appointment every single time. So, all good.
All good. And
Okay.
Uy.
We are now here at Tim's.
Hi. Hi. Tapos na kami kumain sa Tim Hortons. Medyo napadami pala yung kain namin. Akala ko ano lang, parang pang tawid gutom lang. Kumuha din ako ng cold brew, guys, kasi lately parang nagrereklamo ako about sa ano ko, sa mukha ko na parang nagbe-breakout ako. And so sabi ni Kim, bumalik ka na lang sa ano, sa
Black
coffee.
Black coffee.
Tapos sabi ko, okay. And then na-feel ko yung panahon ngayon, it's good for cold brew. Kasi medyo mainit. So, yun. And then, sa ngayon, papunta kami ng church kasi Palm Sunday ngayon.
St. Anthony de Padua.
Oo, pupunta kami ng St. Anthony de Padua. Taas naman na yung araw. So, I think okay naman na pumunta kami doon.
Yeah, and then after, we're gonna go to outlet. And then after that, back to Angelo's place. Tapos papakainin na namin for tonight. And then uwi na kami.
Yeah. Maaga kami uwi ngayon because again, work tomorrow. So, dapat nakasettle na kami sa bahay before
By like, before 4.
Siguro 4:30 pinakamatagal. Pero dapat aim namin mga 5 nasa bahay na talaga kami. Kasi yun, para makapag-ready pa and then maaga makatulog because tomorrow maaga din kami. Right. Guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Yung cherry blossoms natin. Pack odds. Bumablossom na sila. Merong area doon sa Joyce, yung sa may likod ng Plato Filipino, guys, na sobrang
Ganda.
oo, underrated. Parang hindi siya masyadong
Ay, uy, lalaki pala yun.
hindi siya masyadong nanonotice kasi nga residential area, pero hindi siya masyadong nakikita ng mga karamihan. Yeah.
Kasi bibili si Kat ng Toronto.
Dadaanan siguro natin mamaya. But anyways, yes, ayan o, kita nyo, compared kanina yung ano, yung araw, I mean yung sky, blue na siya, kanina super gray.
We're here at church. Oh. Okay, nandito na tayo sa MacArthur Glen, outlet store near the airport. Kaya pag nagsha-shopping kayo dito, there's always planes. There's always planes.
True.
Ewan ko anong hinihintay namin dito.
Iihi tayo.
Okay, so we're gonna go now. Ang bilis namin nakahanap ng parking, guys. Medyo, blessed.
Blessed Sunday. Happy Palm Sunday pala sa atin lahat. Nung nagsimba kami, medyo mahaba yung misa kasi nga, Palm Sunday.
Yeah, and then they gave us, palm leaves. And then, also, si Kat, like, bongga yung pagkanta niya doon, guys. Like, bumibirit siya.
Hosanna! Gano'n.
Alright, let's go. We're in coach.
Not bad.
Hello, guys. Naka-sale lang mga wallets. We're always here at night, so iba yung vibe. Pag morning, parang fake yung clouds. Na?
Huh?
Parang fake yung clouds.
Yeah, it's clear. Kanina it's so better.
Parang tayong nasa Vegas. Look. Okay, we're leaving. Ito lang nabili namin. Fancy!
Kala mo kung
$30.
Yeah. So, natapos na namin ang aming lakad and yung last namin na lakad for today is yung pakain. Yeah. Pakain ni Cloud and ni Mumu. So, pupuntahan na natin sila habang maaga pa.
Guys, ang mahal ng gas ngayon? $204.
Yeah.
RIP.
It's weekend and I think
Pag gumaganda yung weather, nagmamahal ang gas.
that is so true. Sorry, magalaw ang aking kamay. But yes guys, pupunta na tayo doon and then sila na yung last natin na lakad for today and then pauwi na tayo ng bahay because marami pa tayong gagawin sa bahay. But yes, ang ganda na ng mga puno. Oh, dati nung winter super dark dito tapos puro ano lang yung nakikita nyo, branches. But ngayon super ano na siya,
Green.
oo, may mga green na
Bibili ka ba ito?
green grass of home. Ah, yeah. Gusto mo ba? Okay. Dadaan tayo ng turon, guys. And ipapakita namin sa inyo later ang cherry blossoms na sinasabi namin. Sobrang ganda. Now, wala masyadong mga, or hindi masyadong nadadaan ng mga cars kasi nga, why are we here? Why are we here? Ah, okay. Sorry. Akala ko magna-turn left siya, nag-stop na pala. Okay guys, papakita namin sa inyo later ang cherry blossoms. Ano po nangyayari dito? Saan po ang linya natin?
Ano daw yan?
Saan tayo? Hindi natin nakita yung cherry blossoms kanina. But anyway, okay, dito tayo liliko tayo guys sa likod ng Plato Filipino because doon tayo bibili ng turon. Alam nyo, ang sarap ng turon nila. Laging nagkakaubusan doon ng turon. Kaya tumatawag kami lagi before kami bumibili.
Except for right now.
Yeah, but today hindi kami tumawag. Parang,
Wait, daanan natin yung ano muna.
hala, wag na. Bakit? Ah, okay. Iwan mo na lang ako dito muna. So guys, eto na. Dito na Churva. Ayan, marami nagpipicture. Oh, pack. Oh, da. Ready?
Oh, sige.
There you go. Oh my God, ang daming tao, guys.
Oh my God.
Ang daming tao. Ayan. Hello, cherry
no.
blossoms.
Oh no.
Ano
no.
nangyayari?
Oh no.
Ano nangyayari?
Oh no.
Okay, may dadaan po guys. May dadaan. Excuse me po. Sorry. Ayan, Ayan. Actually, hindi lang naman dito na area. Pero yun nga, yung parang marami. Dahil hindi siya masyadong nadadaanan ng sasakyan. Kaya marami ditong nagpipicture and everything and all that. Pero, okay. Ayan. Dadaan po kami. Excuse me po. Okay po. Sige po. Okay po. Okay. Other angle. Dito pabalik tayo. Pero nakakahiya kasi dumaan kami dito na nagambala po ang kanilang pagpipicture. Sorry guys. Ayan. So pretty.